Hello friends, make a ponytail and divide it into two equal parts. Now make a bunch of it and start rotating it as it is being shown in this video. After rotating it into this manner, you can make a bun out of it. Now take the front ends of your hair strips like these, and after taking the front ends of your hairs, you can simply insert them into this manner. And after making this hairstyle, you can simply insert the remaining hairs into this position and you can make a fluffy bun out of it. After taking the front ends of your hairs and placing them in a rubber band, insert second rubber band into this manner and tuck them inside. After doing so, you can get an appearance of this hairstyle like this, and then the remaining hairs will make a heart type appearance too. Now take the front ends of your hairs and start braiding them into this position. After braiding them like this, you can simply make similar braid that is needed to be inserted with the help of this object, and you can get this wonderful hairstyle like this. After inserting them in between, you can simply tie them all together and you will be done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.